Oh!
Going down slowly, we've gone from 20 to 19 to 18, we're at 13 now.
Oh, look at the pretty chalets. We really need to clean our windscreen. There's the Olympics. Wow. What Olympics were here? Cesana. I can't see what that says. That's what year it says. Oh, they've got a Christmas tree up. Oh, blind. They've still got a Christmas tree up. For what? Look at the snow! It's the end of a ski run. Yeah, everything's out of whack. It's the end of a ski run, right? I know very little about ski. It's so pretty. Oh, should we go play in the snowdrift, puppy? Beautiful. Ready? Go! Go! Leave that. Go! 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 You know how I always say bring hats and scarves and warm coats, even when you're going to Italy? We brought hats and scarves and warm coats and we're in the mountains on our last little adventure. We're in the mountains! Isn't it cool? We're going to walk down there to a pretty little street. I can't believe they've got all Christmas decorations up in March. It's just like, maybe they're like not Christmas decorations. Maybe it's just their decorations.
Maybe it's ski season decoration.
Okay, I see what you did there. It's really pretty. These guys hosted the Olympics, but I don't know when. Good morning, gang. So, as you might have gathered, we're in the mountains. It's beautiful, the little village. It's called Cesana, and at some point they hosted the Olympics. I need to look up when, but there's Olympic signs all over the place. That's what we woke up to. So that's the aire we found, that's where we paid. It was €12 for the night. You had to pay it in the hotel restaurant, which is just down the road. Electric is free and included. They've got waste disposal, they've got bins, grey waste. I'm not sure about toilet waste, we haven't found that yet. And they've also got fresh drinking water. That building there is the hotel where you have to pay. Just look at the mountains. Could quite happily stay here another couple of days. They've got a cable car, I'm just going to whiz round. Don't know if you can see it, yeah you can. There's a cable car going up the top. Goes all the way up there. Going to head off. We're going to go through the mountain pass. We're heading towards Lyon and we're going to hopefully try and get the drone up, but it's a bit windy, so we're going to see if we can find somewhere quiet where we can do that. But if not, we'll get some nice photos of the van on the roof in the mountains. That's our plan. See you in a bit. We're in front! And just look at the view! Wow. I'll give it that. That's pretty. There's loads of places down here we could have camped, but because it was getting dark, I'm trying to show how crazy the road is. Because it was dark, we decided to stop there.
the dawn. We belong before the dawn. Every night I dream it, I'm starting to believe it. What you say when I'm asleep and that you need me.
That's quite clever. So if it's minus 15 or below, it won't work.
It'll go up to minus 15, minus 20.
Yeah, but under that it won't. So if it's lower than that, it won't work.
Yeah.
As fuel stops go, it's pretty.
Running down the same road like so many times before. I never felt as lonely, but I'm trying not to show. They said it would be easy, still I'm giving all I got. I just want to tell you something, it must have been something I forgot. All this time, it was never enough.
Windy. Oh my god. It's so windy. But it's so pretty.
Depth of snow, isn't it?
Yeah, it shows you how deep the snow is. Yeah, we don't know a lot about motorhome skiing. Wow. Oh my goodness, look up. Although you probably shouldn't. You look at the road, I'll look up. That's beautiful. It's closing in though, isn't it?
Yep.
I'm trying to find the least dirty bit of our windscreen to look through. Oh. Alright then. We'll go back outside.
Walking right by you. They said it would be easy. Guess I never thought it through. My head's been in the wrong place.
What we're down at. Is it 8 degrees? There's no way it's only 8 degrees. What are you doing, dude? Oh, he's been skiing. Okay, so 3 sets of skis and only one person.
Yeah. You've got to wonder.
Taking the long road, running on empty. I'll be better this time around. I'm going where you go. If you let me, I promise you better days, only better days. Only better days. Better days. Only better days.
Breathtaking, isn't it? There's another road, crazy road up the other side.
Running
my goodness me, these are little roads. They're falling to bits.